The first computer animation was created in the 1960s, called Hummingbird. The first 3D computer animation was created in 1972 by a computer scientist named Ed Catmull, called the Utah Teapot. The first use of computer graphics in a feature film was in the 1977 film, Star Wars, which used a technique called motion control photography to create the special effects. The term pixel was first used in 1965 by a researcher at MIT named Frederick C. Billingsley. Pixel is a combination of the words picture and element. The first virtual reality headset was created in the 1960s by Ivan Sutherland. The first video game to use 3D graphics was Battlezone, which was released in 1980 by Atari.